Hello people, I am back and I am very stupid. So, let me just get on to the facts. I am recording this right after I recorded his review. And I forgot one minor thing, one big thing about the box. So, let's go to the box. And on the back of the box, it says up here, Hong Kong Pursuit. It says at the top of the screen. Which means open the box. Take out the plastic and take out this cardboard. Toy over here, and there is a scene from the movie. I can't believe I missed this in the video. So you are able to put Stinger on a stage and put him on a shelf. I can't believe I missed that. I'm very stupid. Yes, I am. But, anyways. Give the last video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And post comments down below. And I will see you later. Bye. Don't hate me.